The global fight against international cybercrime syndicates is becoming more challenging as these groups continuously adapt and exploit vulnerabilities in digital systems. The rapid technological advancements and increasing interconnectivity have created new opportunities for cybercriminals to operate across borders, making traditional law enforcement methods less effective. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. One major challenge in cybercrime is the sophistication of cybercrime techniques. Cybercriminals now leverage advanced tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate attacks, evade detection, and exploit system weaknesses. Ransomware, phishing, and identity theft have become more frequent and difficult to prevent, causing significant financial and reputational damage. Another issue is the cross-border nature of cybercrime. These syndicates often operate from jurisdictions with weak enforcement, making prosecution difficult. The differences in cybercrime laws and lack of global coordination further hinders efforts to track and dismantle these organizations. Financial institutions, government systems, and critical infrastructures are the prime targets for international cybercrime syndicates. Attacks on these sectors threaten national security, disrupt essential services, and lead to economic losses. The increasing use of cryptocurrencies for anonymous transactions complicates tracking and recovering stolen funds. The rise of the dark web also facilitates the growth of cybercrime. It allows syndicates to trade stolen data, sell hacking tools, and coordinate attacks while maintaining anonymity. This hidden economy fuels the expansion of global cybercriminal networks. To combat these threats, nations must collaborate on stronger legal frameworks, intelligence sharing, and advanced cybersecurity measures. Public-private partnerships are crucial to developing proactive strategies and enhancing cyber resilience. Without global cooperation and technological innovations, cybercrime syndicates will continue to outpace defensive efforts, posing an ever-growing threat to global security and stability. Let's look into today's headlines. Snowflake and Future Skills Prime partner to train 1 lakh Indian students in AI skills. Snowflake has partnered with the state-backed digital skilling initiative Future Skills Prime to train more than 100,000 Indian students and professionals in data and artificial intelligence skills over the next 2 years. The entry-level training courses will now be integrated on Future Skill Prime's platform for undergraduate and postgraduate students along with working professionals. Snowflake claims to offer 6 free learning modules for data professionals, including engineers, analysts, and architects. CDOT ropes in IIT Delhi to build Gen AI-powered disaster warning bot. CDOT has partnered with IIT Delhi to develop a Gen AI-powered chatbot for disaster warnings and emergency communication. The platform will offer real-time multilingual assistance to disaster managers, first responders, and affected communities. Utilizing technologies like NLP, TTS, and STT and image processing, it will automate communication during natural disasters. Additionally, the chatbot will feature AI-driven decision support, emergency call routing, and multilingual voice recognition, ensuring efficient crisis response. Karnataka planning deep tech park at Janagamakote to power high-tech industries. Amid centre's push to the deep tech sector, Karnataka is planning to build a deep tech park at Janagamakote. The deep tech park will support the manufacturing efforts in the space tech, semiconductor, drones, electric vehicles, electronics, aerospace, and defense industries. The state government also has plans for other industrial hubs, which includes development of a startup park in Hubballi. 331 malicious apps removed from Google Play Store. Google has removed 331 malicious apps from the Play Store that were stealing user data. These apps posed as genuine ones and bypassed Android 13's security. The threat actor used multiple developer accounts to upload them. Security researchers first discovered the operation in 2024. The apps had over 60 million downloads before removal. Google Play Store, the largest app store for Android, remains a key target for cyber threats despite its security measures. Oracle Cloud data breach exposes 6 million records. A massive cyber attack has compromised sensitive data from Oracle Cloud, a platform businesses rely on for online operations. A hacker identified as Rose87168 is allegedly selling 6 million stolen records, including confidential files and passwords. Security firm CloudSec reports that the hacker demanded payments from over 140,000 affected companies to erase the stolen data. They also sought assistance to crack encrypted passwords, offering rewards in return. The breach reportedly exploited a vulnerability in Oracle WebLogic Server, a key software managing Oracle Cloud's login system. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.